Come test drive the 2025 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate. Your new ride is just a phone call away.